Yes, very important to note. In a farm, I have already said that dairy farming is about, dairy and livestock, and beef farming is about nutrition and management.
Yes.
If you provide the right nutrition, enhance disease, defense against disease,
yes,
and you do proper management, maintain good cleanliness, protect your animal from harmful pathogens, be sure of the kind of feed that you are feeding, you will reduce diseases and chances of your animals getting infested. That is very important. Just the way in families, we don't have resident doctors in every family. Even in a dairy farm, we must not necessarily have a resident vet.
yes,
As long as we are knowledgeable about what we are doing on our farms.
Okay.
A vet is very important, but is as important to a cow the way a doctor is important to a human being. If we maintain the right way of living, we will need the doctor less times.
Okay.
If we don't maintain the if we maintain ourselves in the right way, we will most cases require a doctor to be with us. So is a dairy farm. Now, doctors, because one, they are few, particularly those who are very knowledgeable,
yes,
we need to make their work easier and more professional by paying attention to their guidance on how to keep away disease. They will tell us, don't allow too much mud on your farm.
On your farm, yes.
Don't mix properly, milk properly, so that you don't interfere with the hygiene. Dip the teeth so that this does not happen. You follow that, you will need him less times on your farm.
Okay.
And you will have time to attend to another farmer and another farmer. You cannot remove a doctor, a vet from a farm, but you can hardly afford a serious vet on your farm. And now this serious vet is now key, because they are there, but they also are attending to so many other farmers.
The other farmers.
And because they are so much on demand, we have a lot of quacks.
Yeah, sure. So
And
you
now,
have to know.
Yes, you really need to attach yourself, seek a veterinary doctor with knowledge and understanding. And if you happen to deal with one, let the cases be minor. And also, you should be able to know what can be dangerous and what is suitable.
Okay, naomba tumalizie hapo. Labda tu neno lako la mwisho in like 15 seconds. Unaweza ambia nini mkulima?
Naweza ambia mkulima kusema kweli kwamba ukulima ufugaji kwanza usiwe tu wa maziwa. Hakika hapo ndio tutapotoka. Lenga kutengeneza pesa kutokana na maziwa, kutokana na ndama, kutokana na growth, kutokana na nyama na kutokana na mbolea.
Okay.